Myntri ke Tnat Bording ke Sarkar Jela weti mondal ke skibar la pentip bakal don bon teli kilai pulai khatway KV lines kila Julor bat khambon de hatain karo hills na kadau ke Jingwan Lynshop ke area Cyclone Remal Mekalaya. Myntri ulai itu ba ke Jingmar mod ban penyok biang ke Bording ke layak syait balapun bon syu sya kumpa prapong kinong tre habaya de bat ke negakam. Mandal la ongru ba kejingmar mod ya kejingking yam dam la kmilinti ban pendap aswa ban kut ubnai naitung ne kham kloy jong ubnai nailar.
Experience, if you see the route through which Remal has moved, then you can assess the route and the damage also happened in those areas. As per this side is there, we are comfortably placed. Only Omsning we are facing little bit problems, and here and there is small, not that major problem. But as per Garo Hills is there, the damage is very huge. Okay, and we have pressed additional 80 person to restore all the lines. We are trying our level best to finish this as early as possible, but can't say exactly when. East Garo Hills partially we have restored, but then local problems are also coming. This is the present scenario. We got all those faulty line details, and many places trees fall down, many places bamboos fall down, then conductor is snapped, then what is called pole fallen down. So we have pressed into service of all the personnels, split it into groups, and trying to restore as early as possible. Till 12 o'clock, only one line, that is Nangol to Ronkon, was restored, and then now we are trying to restore Ronkon to Ampati. So this is the present scenario as far the electricity problems are concerned. Earlier we thought that it should be finished by June. Now, as you know, that earlier idea was that bitumen surface will be laid. Now they are asking that we should go for RCC surface. And RCC surface, what happened? The difference between bitumen surface and RCC surface is that in bitumen surface, when you lay the surface, vehicle can go. There is no problem. But in RCC, you got to give that curing period of around 28 days. So that's why the time is required. Additional time is required. New deadline, we are targeting that July end or first week of August, we should finish it.